Today, we delve deeper into 15 actionable tips that will help you save more and spend less on groceries during this fall season. Tip 1. Celebrate the seasonal produce. Autumn is synonymous with a bounty of produce. Think pumpkins, squashes, apples, and beets. These seasonal items are generally priced lower due to their abundant supply. Plus, they are at the peak of their freshness, ensuring you get the best flavor and nutritional bang for your buck. Tip 2. The local advantage. Your neighborhood farmers markets or local farms are treasure troves. They offer fresh, locally sourced produce, often at prices lower than supermarkets. This way, you reduce transportation and packaging costs and contribute to the local economy. Tip 3. Wise bulk purchases. While bulk buying can lead to significant savings, especially for grains, pulses, and spices, it's essential to ensure you're storing them correctly. Invest in good quality airtight containers to keep pests and moisture at bay. Tip 4. The power of planning. Spontaneous meals can lead to last-minute grocery runs and unplanned expenses. Creating a weekly or even monthly meal plan can keep your grocery list concise and focused. Tip 5. Digital savings. With the digital age in full swing, many stores offer coupons, loyalty programs, and special promotions through their apps or websites. Subscribe to newsletters or download store apps to stay updated on the best deals. Tip 6. Rethink meat consumption. We'll get to that in a second. I have a favor to ask of you. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to the channel. Meat can be one of the most expensive items on your grocery list. Introducing plant-based meals a few times a week can dramatically cut costs. Explore vegetarian recipes. You'll be surprised at the hearty meals you can create. Tip 7. Homemade snack station. Those store-bought snacks and treats can add up. Why not make a batch of granola bars or pumpkin muffins at home? You control the ingredients, save money, and let's face it, homemade always tastes better. Tip 8. Zero waste goals. With food prices rising, wasting less is paramount. Regularly check your fridge and pantry, rearrange items based on expiry dates, and get creative with leftovers. Tip 9. Become your own barista. Store-bought drinks like pumpkin spice lattes can be costly. Invest in a good thermos and start experimenting with homemade versions of your favorite autumn beverages. Tip 10. Price check. Prices can vary significantly between stores. If you have the time, a quick scan of different store prices for staple items can help you decide where to shop. Tip 11. Freezer-friendly strategy. When you come across a good deal, especially for meats or seasonal produce, buy in bulk and freeze in portions. This way, you save money and have ingredients on hand for future meals. Tip 12. The underdog generic brands. Many generic or store brands are manufactured in the same facilities as the pricier name brands. Opt for these alternatives and see if you notice a difference. Tip 13. Whole foods for whole savings. Pre-cut, pre-washed fruits and veggies come with a higher price tag. A bit of extra time in prep can lead to substantial savings. Tip 14. Pantry organization. A cluttered pantry can lead to unnecessary purchases. Regularly organizing and taking stock can prevent buying duplicates and encourage you to use up what you already have. Tip 15. Designated shopping days. Limit your grocery trips to once a week or even once every 2 weeks. It reduces impulse buying and encourages more intentional purchasing. Autumn doesn't just bring in a change of weather and scenery, but also a change in our dietary preferences. As we embrace this beautiful season, armed with these money-saving tips, we ensure that every meal is not just delicious, but also economical,